How to install Windows 11 using a USB flash drive. If your HP computer came with the Windows 10 operating system installed, you can update your PC to Windows 11 using a USB flash drive as an installation media. Note: depending on your computer model, all Windows 11 features might not be available. Software designed for Windows 10 might not work after installing Windows 11. Make sure that your PC is eligible for Windows 11. Install the PC Health Check tool from Microsoft to check if your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Before updating your PC, update all drivers, software, and BIOS. Note: HP recommends backing up all your data and creating a recovery media before updating your computer to Windows 11 to avoid loss of important information. Go to Microsoft.com and in the search section type Download Windows 11. Select this option from the search results. Under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download Now. Click Open, Save, or Run to download the Windows 11 Installation Media Creation tool. When the download completes, double-click the file to begin installation. Accept the license terms. Select the language and edition for the Windows 11 installation, and then click Next. Select USB flash drive and then click Next. Insert a blank USB flash drive of at least 32 GB storage space. Select your USB flash drive and then click Next. Once the Media Creation tool creates the installation image on the USB flash drive, click Finish. The Windows 11 installation media is now ready for use. Insert the Windows installation USB flash drive into your computer on which you wish to install Windows 11. Note: enter your BitLocker key if prompted. In the File Explorer, open the USB flash drive and double-click on the setup.exe file. If a user account control window is displayed, select Yes. When the Install Windows 11 window is displayed, click Next. Windows 11 Setup checks for updates. Accept the license terms. The Choose What to Keep window displays. Select the files, settings, and apps you'd like to keep. You can choose to keep your data or do a clean Windows 11 install on your computer, which will erase all data. Click Next. In the Ready to Install window, click Install. Windows 11 installation begins. Your computer will restart several times during the installation process. Do not interrupt installation or turn off the computer. If the sign-in window is displayed, sign into your account. HP recommends updating your drivers, apps, and software after installing Windows 11. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.